And on Saturday night, I generally go through any topic which I think it is required. Someone asks me, or I think it is required, and plus I give answer to all of your queries. Also, if someone asks me some queries, I'll give answer to that. Let us see. Means today, what I decided, I was just going through something, and I thought that I will tell the roles of mentor in web development. So why mentors are required? See, most of you know means nobody is living under the rocks. Everybody knows that if you go to YouTube, you'll find almost everything, almost means more than everything for web app development. So I'm not talking about web development. I'm talking about web app development. You'll find almost everything about web development. Okay, wait a sec. Let me check one thing. Audio input is right. Okay, yeah, so you'll find everything about web app development. So why a mentor is required means you go to site. I will also tell the sites in which you will go and find everything, almost everything. Means you don't need to go anywhere, even you don't need to go to Udemy also. Okay, and that is the second thing. So first you go to YouTube and you'll find everything on web development, web app development. Whatever topic you want, you'll find. Then you go to, if that thing is not more than enough, then you go to Udemy and you'll find almost everything. Means it is even better than YouTube. You'll find almost everything for what, 499. Yeah, 499. You'll find everything for 499. But then also, why people are not able to learn web development? So that is the issue. See what happens here in this site. Okay, site, there are way too many things. Internet is full of way too much information, so information overflow is there in the internet. Even for web development, you'll go there, and I have heard this from my students also, that one person told me that he is learning css only for the past, HTML css only for the past 6 months, and he want to learn React. He doesn't know where to stop, where to start, and all those things. He doesn't know, and nobody knows that. So that is one of the biggest issue. Means a proper way in which you have to go, proper direction in which you have to go, proper steps which you have to take. And that is where mentors comes into picture. That is why there are boot camps, mentors are there, boot camps are there. That is why they work, because whatever we are teaching, that is there on YouTube. That is whatever I am teaching in my courses, that is there on my YouTube channel also. In fact, there is more on my YouTube channel. But what I teach in my course is not that a lot of things. I teach a specialized knowledge only. Means what is required to be, for you to become a ReactJS developer in the next 3 month time, in the next 2 month time. So those are the things which I teach, and those are the things which other mentors also teach. See, the sites like Privacy Media and Free Code Camp are way too good. They have got everything. And the problem is that they have got everything. I'm just let me share my screen now. Yeah, I think you're able to see my screen. Okay, so see, this is my screen, and if I go to Privacy Media site, I'll find almost everything. 7-hour Django test, style component, tips to get back into programming, React.js testing, TypeScript crash course, and you can spend a lifetime doing all these courses and doing all those things, going from here to there, and that is what most of us have also done. I have done this for around 3-4 years. I was been jumping from here to there. I was doing web development, HTML, CSS, JavaScript in 2010. There was nothing else at that time. Angular was just picking up, and then I thought, okay, let me do some iOS development. I did that for 2 years, game development and all that in iOS. Then I did your Android development also. Then I moved back to React. Then I thought that I was just jumping around from here to there to there to there. So everybody does like that. Okay, another story, another interesting story. So there is a student of mine. Means not a student, means he thinks me as a mentor, and I'm in contact with him for the past 2 years. Yeah, 2 years I'm in contact with him. So he, for the past 2 years, he daily, at that time I was not also a full-time trainer, so he used to ping me, and he used to take advice from me, that what to do. Means I have lost my job, what to do, I want to become a
React.js developer. Okay, so I have given him the full path because I know some of the paths also. At that time, I didn't even have the code, so I have given him this path. Okay, go through this playlist, go through this playlist, go through this playlist, and in 6 months you can become a React.js developer. 6 months to 1 year. Okay, so this is still 2 years, and he is still stuck in JavaScript. And then I told when I launched my boot camp, okay, you come to my boot camp, come to my courses, and I will teach you. And he never came. No, 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 I will learn on my own. And past 2 years he is doing that. Okay, if someone else was there, someone else is motivated, yeah, you can learn on your own. Everything is there. You can do a free code camp course. So this is a free code camp site, free code camp YouTube. See, 40 lakh subscribers are there. So again, but don't go to Traversy Media site and don't go to here for just learning. Means you should know the path first. Okay, this is the path. This I should know. Then only I should go in a way. So that, because if you come here to this two side, you won't become anything. Why you won't become anything? There are too many things. See, this channel have got almost everything from Firebase, Laravel, everything. So you'll keep on switching between the technology. Okay, Laravel is also, let me do that. Vue is also good. Well, let me do that. Angular is also good. Let me do that. React is also good. Let me do that. Even on my site also, if you go, you'll find something like that only. Okay, React is good. Let me do that. Flutter is good. Let me do that. React Native is good. Let me do that. Okay, so it doesn't work like that. You just keep on jumping here and there and all this. So you should know the path. And YouTube, we are not here to provide the path. We have to serve a larger audience who want to learn something, but that path should be there. Okay, so during the streaming only, I just thought that I have a path on my notepad. I generally give to people who ask me this path. So what to follow? Those all the playlist which you can follow and become a React.js developer in 6 months. Okay, all the playlists are from my site, of course, but there is a path is there. Okay, if you don't even want to be a mentor, you want to take a mentor or go to a boot camp, and I highly suggest take a mentor or go to a boot camp and attend their boot camp. Take a mentor means go to a trainer's training and take their boot camp or whatever they have. Take that thing. Sometimes they have full day boot camps which are very costly. Sometimes they have a different kind of boot camps which I also have, and I will tell you about some better boot camps also. Okay, so first thing first, don't go to Traversy Media and free code camp just like that. Okay, you want to do some projects, then definitely go HTML CSS project. But why what HTML CSS project? Why after HTML CSS project? When you should do HTML CSS, how many HTML CSS projects you should do, how many JavaScript projects you should do, how many React projects you should do. First learn that thing, then go to these sites and then do, or else take a path. I will tell about the path also. I just thought that I will give my secret. I will give a path, so which will be there. So whoever is attending it will get that path also from me. Okay, so don't go to these two sites. Okay, then there is another two YouTube channel which I like a lot after my YouTube channel, of course, because I worked a lot. This guy, Sunny Sanga, I don't know how many you know him, but this guy used to work here, Clever Programmer first. I think everybody knows him. Clever Programmer, 10 lakh subscriber, everybody knows him. Or they have to live under a cave if they don't know him. So he used to work there, and people used to call him Papa React at that time. And he was way too good, and he overgrew Clever Programmer. Then he opened his own thing, and he's the champion in creating clones. Means where did he started actually? Actually, he started from here, and he started here. And in his channel, there are very good videos, but these videos are just the front thing. Means this thing means you cannot be a developer by just going through this video. If you don't even React, if you don't even know HTML, CSS, JavaScript, how can you become? But they are top class. But there's something which should come at the end. At the end, you should do it. And what I will tell, don't means if you want to be a very good developer, means if you want to really want to be a React.js developer, don't go to his channel. Yeah, good. You can go to his channel, but after attending some of his mentor thing, okay, you can attend some of his. Means this guy have site also, and he has got a very good course. If you are gone through this guy has got a very good site. Okay. And he's a Indian from, but NRI from UK. So one thing you have to do, that he have got a heavy British accent, which I don't have. So he has got a very British accent, so you have to know how to understand him. It's not that much easy to understand him. I think I'm a bit easier, because for the Indian audience I'm a bit easier, but to understand him it's a bit tough. I can understand anything. I'm doing this for a long time. In my 16 years of IT career, I have talked to almost every type of client, from Australian to American to anyone, everyone. So you should be able to understand him. But this is the thing which he gives, 497 pound. And he taught in different way, means he had got access to, you get access to his recorded courses. And what I came to know, you get access to his recorded courses, and 4 group coaching calls weekly with him, Papa Fam, and like this student areas and all. So rest of the courses are recorded, but they're premium recorded courses. Okay, so they are there, and it is 497 pound. I don't even know what is 497 pound, but I can tell this is a very good course for 97 pound. Just that thing, you are able to give this much rupees. And I highly suggest you guys, if you have this kind of rupee, 50,000 rupees, and you should go for his course. He's really best. He's really one of the best. Okay, so you should go for his course. Okay, and you'll like it. And weekly one 4 weekly coaching calls are there. Rest of the course is actually recorded. Okay, so that is there. One course is this, which I highly recommend. Okay, and his channel also I recommend. But all these 3 channels I recommend after you go through a process, after you go through a way. It means there is a way to learn everything. So you have to learn HTML first, CSS first. The path is there, which he will tell you. Go through his course and all. Okay. And the second thing which I want to tell, not this channel, Clever Programmer, everybody knows, and he also does like that. He has got also big thing like the ReactJS tutorial, 19 hours and all this. He released all this thing. He also have, and they also do a lot of clone, because they also started with the clone things and all. Earlier they were into Python, now they are into fully into ReactJS ecosystem and all. They are quite a big company, not one person now. There are 2-3 people are there. Okay, so they are also good. But don't go to their channel, go to their program, this Profit with JavaScript. They also have a program like this, Profit with JavaScript. So this is also exactly same model. Actually, this model and this model are exactly same. It has got a video course and 5-minute project and all those things. I don't know whether there is a weekly coaching call or not. How much is $597? $597 is I think around $97 in rupees. I'm talking mainly about the Indian audience. Again, 44,000 rupees. And they also have a React coaching call live weekly. So same model. But they have some bootcamp also. I was going through their site, actually, Clever Programmer site, and they have some bootcamp also. And someone from the US actually called me also, and he told that their bootcamp is very good, but it's very costly, and it's more than his tuition fees of the college, and he cannot go there. So I came to know, okay, they opened a bootcamp also recently, and it is $20,000, which is a lot of money, $20K, and I think it is only in the US. So that is there. And so after talking about all those people, and I really can tell you, means if you can understand. Another problem is that this is American accent, all American accent. So if you can understand UK accent, and this guy is also good, this guy is good, and you can do this, you can do it. And these are not boot camps. So this is just a thing which is a bit level below boot camp, means all recorded courses plus weekly one live course. Okay, that is there, and they have got both things. So 20K boot camp, which is a lot of money, and then that mini boot camp or sort of whatever it is, they have that. Now the third guy is me, the web dev. I have also a YouTube channel. I have also a lot of videos. Actually, I have also 100 to 300 videos, but I'm quite small and in comparison to them. But as you can see, I'm also all over the place: React.js, Angular, React Native, and nowadays I'm doing React.js Angular because I'm taking a corporate batch on Angular, and corporate batch needs everything. Means they sometimes get Angular projects, sometimes get React projects. So I'm doing Angular also, and maybe I will do Angular mini bootcamp. I do mini bootcamps on Sundays, on Saturdays. I'm thinking about a 1 day bootcamp, and very cheap. It is cheaper than pizza. I generally keep it like that. So see, I took a React.js mini bootcamp, HTML CSS mini bootcamp, which I gave for free, and this was only 199. Okay, this mini bootcamp, a lot of people attended it and liked it. But this month we have festival seasons. I thought to take two boot camps, two mini boot camps. They're like whole day boot camps. So to me, everyone want to, if someone want to get into this, they can get into, means get into the field. So this month I thought to take two boot camps, but it's a festival season here in India, and with the Shera and all, so I will be taking only one boot camp, and that will be Angular bootcamp, and I will be telling it about on Monday. I'll telling about on Monday, and again it will be cheap. This mini bootcamps are cheap. Okay, so that is all about. If you want to learn, I have a lot of everything, means from this popular uploads, these things, clones and all, and everything, means I have more than 250 videos. Okay, do they give the videos? I don't know. They don't give the videos. How many videos I have? Let me see how many videos I have. 280 videos. Wow, 280 videos is good. Okay, so yeah, I will talk about me also. So if you want to know about my others program, so this is my site, course. You can go to learn, and I have actually those mini bootcamps are there, but our main courses again this web dev transition systems, and yeah, this is now 999. Okay, this web dev transition system. So I also have a combination of both. I have a course like this, okay, which is this course which have web dev transition system, and this has got some things for everyone, from a support person to a tester person to a become person to a mechanical engineer. This is one of my top course, web dev transition system. Anyone can become a developer. So this is not this is a sort of soft skills. This is not some hard skills or something. This is soft skills what are required to be a developer, and this you will not get anywhere. And this is 999, and you'll get all this thing plus. I also have a weekly coaching call every Thursday, and the recordings are they also goes there. Okay, so I have a weekly coaching call every Thursday. So this is one of the thing, very cheap code in comparison to what they have. And you can learn from my Indian English also. Okay, so then I have React.js bootcamp also and a web dev bootcamp. Right now both of them are on discount because this is my starting month only. So React.js bootcamp is again this 9999. So this is different than this because this is daily live class, daily complete live. People just love live class. I have understood that, and people want live class because the moment they face some issues, they can ask at the moment, and it is a much better way to take the classes, that is Skype classes, and they are much live, so it takes my time also. So right now I am doing a web dev boot camp. Actually, the difference between that web dev bootcamp, I will teach from the scratch HTML, CSS, JavaScript, ES6, and React.js bootcamp only React.js. So people who know HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and ES6 can directly jump into React.js bootcamp. And right now I am taking one batch only for web dev bootcamp, in which I will complete the JavaScript and ES6 part by I think yeah, by 11th, I think. Yeah, I will tell about that when we will. I think from 18th I will start the React.js bootcamp, because that web dev part will be done. And right now I thought, means if you take this React.js bootcamp also, I'll provide you the recordings of web dev bootcamp. So daily I record those things and you'll get the recordings. So this is again one more thing, and for that the links will also be there. Okay, so that is there, and that is why mentors are required to get the correct path. So that is what I was telling, mentors are required for that, to see the correct path. So okay, and let me stop the sharing. To see means, and a lot of time what happens in development also, you get stuck a lot. So you cannot go to Stack Overflow every time. You need a mentor who you can ask. So I also, and I think all these people also provide that support. That is not known as TS support, teaching assistant support. Okay, but I only provide that support. If you want to, if you take my courses and if you are stuck anywhere, you can ask me those things and I will reply to you. These people will reply to you. Those things are required. Those help are required. I even give one-to-ones also. See, I am very busy, so I provide in all those things one-to-ones also. In the web dev transition course, I provide two one-to-ones. React bootcamp, I provide four one-to-ones. So that will be separate call. I will tell you not about a technical. I tell you about your career. Everybody's career is different. Someone is from a production support background, they want to get into development. Someone is from a teaching background, they want to get into development. I know a person who is in the first year of college. He's not liking college anymore. He want to get into development full time. So all of you people are different. I have to cater you to different audience. I get call from, I get pings from mechanical engineers also, those who want to get into development. So all of you are different, and means I cannot cater to everyone means on chat, because, and I have created that system that I can do one to one with all of you. Only if you take my course, that's why means I cannot do one to one right like that with everyone. I have limited time. Someone pinged me on LinkedIn that day, and she was telling that, okay, I'll call you now. But the problem is that I don't have that much time. Even my 1 minute is very, very, very precious. Not because of the cost and all, because I have a lot of things to do. From morning till evening, I am working way too hard to teach people web app development. So those things are there. My one-to-ones are through my courses only. You want one-to-one, if you want career advice, so definitely all this career advice, everybody's career is different, and I can give that advice. So I cannot tailor made a course, but this tailor made learnings for you, this React.js bootcamp, and tailor made a learning for you. Okay, and as I promised to all of you that I'll give my playlist at the end. Means if, yeah, if you want to do my boot camps, you are very much welcome. But I want people who are there, who can learn on their own. So that's why I have a YouTube channel which contains everything. So if you don't want to pay money, go through my YouTube channel and you will learn everything. But don't go like that. Means you will be again be, I have 280 videos. I didn't even know that I have 280 videos. Okay, I was thinking I was having 250 videos. I had 280 videos. Wow. 280 videos. Yeah. So you should not go like that through my channel. Okay, this is the top video I should go. You no, you won't understand anything. So whatever I have in my course, I have the longer form in my YouTube channel also. It is not like the other channels who generally have what they have. They generally have projects only on the channels, and that main training is there. I have the main training also on my YouTube channel. If you want to go the main channel, I will be more than happy that if you can learn on your own, and if you don't want to spend on the courses, if you're a student and you don't have the money, actually everybody have money. In India also people pay in colleges, I think around 1 lakh rupees a month, or 1 or 2 lakh rupees a month, 1 or 2 lakh rupees a year. So everybody have money. So that is not like nobody have money, and nobody have 10,000 rupees or 15,000 rupees or 1,000 rupees, all those things. Okay. But the thing is that even if you don't want to pay and you have the confidence that you are there, you can learn, because there is a power which comes in this boot camp, which is the group power, which is the energy which comes in these boot camps, because there will be other students, you will be competing with them in a healthy way. I will have many thing planned also. I have many things planned also for most of you, means something gamification and all those things, but I need to get some more public for that. So after that I will gamify more. So those things are there. And as promised, I will give the playlist in the description. You can go through the playlist, and with that, only following that playlist, you can become a React.js developer in 3 months. I've given that playlist to a lot of people, but unfortunately they were not become able to become React.js developer because they were moving after another shiny object. See, people go through my videos and okay, they start moving. I was also like that. So okay, so now I will learn TypeScript. I have gone through this. I will learn types. Okay, and another 3 months gone. Now you'll go. Okay, I will learn Flutter. Flutter is a new thing. Another 3 months gone. Nothing happened. So everything works like that only. Because that is the reason people are not able to learn things. People need a mentor for that. But I will give you a playlist. Just become like a horse. You know, horse. They have this. In their horse, you put. Uh, for in their eyes you put something like this. Why you put that thing? Because the horse cannot see here and there, because if he sees the grass or something else, they'll go till that. So that's the reason they put that there. So you should have that thing like a horse, and you should only look straight. Don't look at the shiny object here and there. Don't look at them. Go straight, see straight. And I will give you the straight road. The playlist is so much straight. Just follow that playlist. You don't want to pay me, don't pay me. I want everybody. I'm on a mission to have 5,000 people become React.js developer every year, become a developer every year. I want to help them. There's so much job in React.js, so much job in web app development. You just don't know how many jobs are there. React.js and Angular is also big in India, because all service companies works in Angular also. That also the thing which I have learned. I'm talking about India, a lot of about India, because most of my courses are for it, geared to an Indian audience also. But anyone can take it, because all of my courses are in 100% English. I don't take courses in regional language and all, because English is the universal language in India also. Those who don't know, means yeah. So that thing is there. So with this, I will close today's Saturday night call. Okay, so today nobody came. Then the people come. Okay, so actually I have streaming at 10:15, because most of you people know that I'm doing a 100 days of code and 100 days of video challenge also. So my today's, so this is not a coding video. So I don't consider this as a coding video. uh, so my 100 days of code challenge will not be done if I don't do that coding video, because I do coding on that one. So that's a reason at 10:15 I have that Angular coding to be done. Angular, I think 9. Yeah, Angular basic 9 I am covering today, and I'm covering forms, template driven forms. So if you want to attend that, please do attend that at 10:15. And as always, you can attend on my LinkedIn, my YouTube channel, and all. Okay, so those who are attending on LinkedIn, please try to attend on my YouTube also sometime. Okay, so that I can get some views also here and all. So thank you, and as promised, I will give you the playlist in the description. Okay, I think this video will be released by tomorrow, because what YouTube does, whatever live streaming you do, it release it after one day. Okay, so look out for that. And thank you all again. I will see you at 10:15 today, and another 45 minutes, and see you with the Angular.